In this video, we'll learn how to use the IC Reactor library to interact with the Internet Computer blockchain. We'll cover authenticating users and fetching data directly from a canister. Let's start with a basic HTML structure. We have a header, divs to display information, and buttons to trigger actions. To interact with the blockchain, we need the IC Reactor library. We'll grab the CDN link from the project's releases and add the script tag to our HTML file. This imports all the necessary functionality. Now, let's initialize an agent manager. This is our gateway to the Internet Computer. Enabling the With DevTools option will give us helpful debugging information in our browser's Redux DevTools. User authentication is key. IC Reactor works seamlessly with the Dfinity Auth client. Adding this line of code starts the authentication process. We need to update our web page based on whether the user is logged in or not. This code subscribes to authentication changes. We'll dynamically change the Login button to say Logout when successful, and update a section to display the logged-in user's unique identifier. Let's get to the heart of our interaction, the reactor. First, we create a candid adapter. It helps us understand the canister's interface, just like a translator for smart contracts. Next, we'll create a reactor. This is where we provide the agent manager, the canister ID, and its interface definition. Now for the exciting part, fetching data. We'll set up a query call to the ICP token canister's ICRC1 name function. We'll also subscribe to updates, so our web page will react to any changes in the fetched data. Let's modify our query to get more interesting data, the user's token balance. We'll change the target function to ICRC1 balance of, and pass the user's unique identifier as an argument. This way, we'll fetch a personalized balance. First, let's test as an anonymous user. As expected, we got the anonymous user identity and its balance. Now let's authenticate with Internet Identity. After logging in, we'll refetch the data, and this time we should see our actual token balance. Let's take a quick peek under the hood to see how IC Reactor works its magic. If you open your browser's Redux DevTools, you'll find tabs for Reactor Actor and Reactor Agent. These show us a detailed log of events, like the login process, and each time we fetch data from the canister. This is super helpful for understanding and debugging our interactions with the blockchain. That's it. We've successfully used IC Reactor to interact with the Internet Computer